Okay. Get some Michoacana. Let's try it.
No, just should work. I might
Or
be
do we
super
wanna
loud
flip
though, because
Yeah, flip it like that.
I
Just to see it and then spin the camera.
that should be perfectly fine.
The Taco Snob. Carl. What's up? I just ate at La Michoacana yesterday. I just want to show you this. This is also La Michoacana, but it's a taco truck in Queens. I ate at the La Michoacana in Bridgeport, and I got 3 tacos, lengua, chorizo, and asada. So chorizo, tongue, and steak. Carl got the birria. It looks like quesadilla, which is good. But the consomme that comes with it, just to give it a little stir, is definitely full of meat chunks and stuff like that. We'll try to get a little bit of a close-up. Here to review some tacos real quick. Taco Snob, we take tacos where we can, when we can. They gave me an entire radish.
Yeah, same on mine. Complete, full end-to-end radish.
I'm okay with, but
yeah, I'm good with radish myself.
So first thing that I noticed right here, if you want to check this out, the chorizo, it's not really ground as much as it is chopped up, which is good. Might add to the flavor, and there's definitely a bunch of char on the tortillas, so they definitely did good work there. So see how this goes. See what we got. I don't know if you can see this, but it's very like juicy and wet, not very spicy. All right, I give this one a 5.2. Okay, what do you got?
So there's a nice char on all the meat, as you can see. Looks like you got the fresh chopped onions in there. I threw a little bit of the green sauce on and the lime. I'm gonna dig in. I'm more hungry than I am on this Taco Snob sale, but I go with Matt's recommendations. Meat is juicy and tender. Just took a random piece off the plate.
You know what? I'm almost getting like a sweet, almost like a barbecue spare rib flavor.
Mm-hmm.
It's weird, but yeah. I'm gonna hold fast on the 5.2. What do you think of the birria tacos?
Juicy, good ratio with the veggies to the meat. It's nice and full. I almost took too big of a bite, even with the small bite that I took, just because it's so packed and it doesn't seem that way when you pick it up, which is a good thing. More meat for the same price is always good.
So, on a scale of 0 to 10, where do you clock in with these guys?
Maybe if there was a little bit more crisp that is on the outside here towards the center, it'd be a little bit better. I'd say for me, 5, 6, same.
Okay, so 5.6 on the beer.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I want to give the video a shot if you don't mind. The asada is flavorful, pretty juicy. I'll give the asada like a 6.4. Again, in the 6s, it's a good score. 7s, you got to drive there. 8s, you got to tell your friends. But this is the lengua taco. I was saying in my last review, I like more char on my lengua, but for flavor, I'll give this a 6.6. So
It definitely makes a difference with that.
the consomme makes everything, and you can't judge one without the other. Here, let's do this. Do a bit of a dip. That was pretty masterful in terms of being able to dip, bite, and put everything down without really spilling a lot. Less juicy than I would imagine, even with the sauce. I give this a 5.5. So, again, this is Taco Snob and my buddy Carl.
Going up?
We're at La Michoacana Taco Truck in Queens, 57th Street, corners of 57th and Northern. Taco Snob out.
Better.